Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can save TikTok video without watermark. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your TikTok app and then tap on the video that you want to save. Tap on the three dots at the bottom and then copy link. After copying the link, go to your favorite web browser and then search for SnapTik. Just search for snaptik.com. It will then direct you to this website where you can paste the TikTok link. It will then enable you to download the video without watermark. So now we just need to paste the link right here and then just tap on download. Tap on download again. It will be saved on your gallery. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.